Namaste ji, I'm Nishi Arora, an NLP life coach. Fear. You fear something, obviously that is why you are watching this video and you want to overcome that particular fear. So, what is that fear? That fear is something that we have in our brain, in the amygdala of our brain, which is an evolutionary fear which has started from since the time of the caveman. The caveman was afraid because he had to bring food for his family, he had to protect his family. So he was always on high alert. Life-threatening dangers he was facing. But today, we are not facing life-threatening dangers on a daily basis, are we? Not at all. But we are fearful of people, of situations, of success, of loss, failure. There's so many things which are making us afraid. But do we really need to be afraid? Because these are not life-threatening. But our brain is feeling that it is life-threatening and assuming that it is life-threatening. So that is why what is happening, that the same physiological changes are happening in the body. The same physiological changes are happening which are causing us to fight, flee or freeze. Okay? But we don't really need to do that. Since you're watching this video, it is understandable that you want to know certain ways how to overcome these fears. Now the thing is that we have to understand fear properly. Once we understand fear, what happens? We will know how to tackle it, how to attack it or how to befriend it. Yes, we can make fear our friend also. But everyone always says overcome fear, overcome fear. Yes, we need to overcome fear. But if we make it our friend, what happens? We don't have to overcome it. We can make fear our strength. So in these videos, we are going to work on how to overcome fear definitely, but not always in the negative ways, in the positive ways also. And we will be dealing with a lot of things. We'll be doing the causes, we'll be doing the scientific explanations, we'll be doing the negative effects of fear, we'll be doing the positive effects of fear. Yes, there are positive effects of fear also. We'll be doing the positive effects of overcoming fear also. We'll be doing the steps that we need to take to overcome fear. And what will happen once we overcome that fear or those fears. It will depend, okay? You know that there are things which you want to do, but you are not able to do because you are not able to move forward. And what is stopping you? It is the fear which is stopping you. Fear or fears. For even one particular thing, for one particular achievement, there may be multiple fears also. So we will work on that. So keep watching, you're in the right place. And after the end of these videos, I'm sure you're going to be motivated very strongly to overcome at least one fear. You will be able to take those steps to overcome that first fear which is holding you down and stopping you from progressing and achieving what you want to achieve in life.